When we face rejections, we are emotionally broken. And this emotional imbalance creates a lot of disease in our bodies. Emotional imbalance also affects our physical health. Like we are not sleeping better, we are rejected, we are facing depression. So the cure of all these problems is hidden in your child pose. Yes, I'm talking about child pose yoga. Child pose is a forward bending posture where your head is placed on the floor. We will also know the secret behind this wonderful asana. Why this asana is repairing us. Let's see child pose. Please come into Vajrasana first. In Vajrasana, ensuring that your both heels are outside the hips. Keep your back straight, look straight, and place your both palms on the knees. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhaling, bend forward to the mat. Slowly coming back to the Vajrasana. All the forward bending postures, downward facing dog pose, a rabbit pose, and the latest, your child pose, increases the flow of blood as well as oxygen to the brain. When your brain gets enough supply of blood and oxygen, it gets repaired. The pranic flow flows to the brain. The biggest secret is that it improves parasympathetic nervous system of your body. Parasympathetic is the relax and digest mode of the body. All these forward bending postures, when your brain gets enough supply of oxygen and blood, it also removes anger, ego issues. In today's world, with lot of competition arising, we are facing lot of disturbances in our mind. So parasympathetic nervous system is the main reason behind this. When your parasympathetic nervous system is activating, your body gets repaired. It adds relaxation to the mind and body. Whatever the situation comes, your body just repairs. Whether it is coming in terms of failure, rejections, any breakup in your life, so it is your parasympathetic nervous system which always repairs you in these tough situations. When you are having unnecessary thoughts in your mind, overthinking issues in your sleep, you get disturbed. So this posture improves the quality of your sleep. In less time, you sleep better. Your skin becomes more fresh, more energetic after the regular practice of Balakasana. The reason is that blood is flowing to the face, giving it enough nutrients, and your face becomes energetic, just like a child. That is why it is called child pose. It makes you like a child. You become free of mind, and you have seen children, then they are always free of mind. That is why children always live in present moment. You are having a clean state of mind, and which results in better sleep, in more repairing, in getting a full present moment. So I believe that this child pose must be the part of your life. Still you are facing any questions, you can ask me. Also, child pose is good for diabetes, imbalance in your pancreas, stomach infection, constipation, because through this asana your internal body parts are getting fully massaged. Still you have any questions regarding child pose, you may ask me anytime. Stay blessed.